It is great to be here at Cresswind Peachtree City, and I am with Pam from Kolter Homes. And Pam, this is it. There are only 3 opportunities remaining. So what can you tell us about these final 3 homes?
Well, that's right, Greer. We only have 3 opportunities left. 2 of them are on unfinished basements and 1 is on an unfinished loft area. They're going to range anywhere between mid-600s to mid-800s as far as your price range. And they should all be ready by spring of 2023. And our designers have chosen beautiful finishes for all 3 of these homes.
Well, it's exciting. Only 3 more homes remain. And one of the best things about living here at Cresswind Peachtree City is the lifestyle. So what can you tell us about the lifestyle here?
Well, Greer, it is an award-winning lifestyle, and it's like being on a cruise ship but never leaving. These ultimate opportunities also mean these are the final chances to become a part of the community and experience Cresswind's award-winning lifestyle program. It is designed around the concept of Set Yourself Free, F-R-E-E. That provides a dynamic array of social and wellness activities in the areas of fitness, relationships, education, and entertainment to help residents live better and longer. At our resort-inspired clubhouse, there's always something to do and people to meet. Enjoy the indoor and outdoor pools, community garden, fitness center, pickleball, and tennis courts. And the best part? The community events, get-togethers, concerts, plays, and more are planned by a full-time lifestyle director. Another great part of this amazing community is that Cresswind is connected to 100 miles of golf cart paths that wind throughout Peachtree City. You're only a quick golf cart ride away from dining, shopping, and entertainment.
Well, Pam, what is the best way to find out about these 3 final opportunities?
Now is the best time to come visit us here at Cresswind Peachtree City. Our community is open daily. New homes are priced from the 600s. Call us at 770-212-2099 or visit CresswindPeachtreeCity.com to explore the community online.
Well, Pam, thanks so much for being here with me today. It is always great to see you, and you do not want to miss out on these 3 final opportunities right here at Cresswind Peachtree City, where you can start living that Cresswind lifestyle today.